Good morning. This is a video of lesson 6, that is molecular basis of inheritance. The topic is transforming principle. So what is transformation? It is defined as the transfer of bacteria DNA from one organism to another. एक ऑर्गेनिज्म से दूसरे ऑर्गेनिज्म में डीएनए ट्रांसफ़र को बोलते हैं ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. देयर इज़ नो एजेंट रिक्वायर्ड in this. It is the direct transfer of DNA. Now, Frederick Griffith, he first of all performed an experiment with mice to prove that transforming principle is DNA, not the proteins. Now, what he performed is certain set of experiments. There is a Diplococcus pneumoniae, is a bacteria which causes pneumonia in mice. Diplococcus pneumoniae, there are of two types of cells. One is S cells and another is R cells. Now S cells are smooth cells, R cells are rough cells. S cells have a special polysaccharide coat, whereas R cells don't have. S cells, when injected into mice, they are virulent, means they cause the disease, and they are also known as pathogenic. Pathogen is the organism which causes disease. In comparison with the S cells, R cells are non-pathogenic and not virulent. Now let us study the experiment in detail. What happens in first case? He performed experiment with, he injected this R strain into mice, and mice did not develop pneumonia and mice lived. In second case, S strain was injected into mice and the mice developed pneumonia and mice died. Second case में क्या करा, S strain को इंजेक्ट जब करा तो उन्होंने ऑब्जर्व करा कि माइस जो है वो सर्वाइव नहीं हो पाई. दैट it means S strain is virulent as well as pathogenic. In third case, what he did, he killed the S strain. That is, he injected heat-killed S strain into mice, and instead of death, mice survived. This is because killing kills the DNA of S strain. So in fourth case, what he did, he injected a mixture of heat-killed S strain plus R strain, injected into mice. The mice developed pneumonia and mice died. It happened because DNA of this S strain changes the character of DNA of R type. So R type becomes pathogenic. He observed that some factor was there which resulted in transformation, but he could not conclude it. So final conclusion was given by Otey, Overy, MacLeod and McCarthy. What they did after experimentation, they did the biochemical characteristics of transforming principle, and they observed that protein digesting enzymes, that is proteases, and RNA digesting enzyme, that is ribase, they do not affect transformation. इसका मतलब है RNAs और प्रोटीन जो डाइजेस्ट एंजाइम करते हैं प्रोटीएस, उन्होंने ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन में कोई इफेक्ट नहीं आया, और ट्रांसफॉर्मिंग सब्सटेंस वाज नॉट ए प्रोटीन और RNA. So when they perform digestion with DNAs, then the transformation process was inhibited. So they concluded that the DNA is a hereditary material. That means the genetic material is a DNA and not the proteins. And there are two terms as in comparison with DNA. One is DNase and another is DNase. DNase refers to many DNA. Is a plural. Many DNA refers to बहुत सारे DNA present हो तो हम DNase बोलते हैं. लेकिन when DNA ace is there, that is it digests the DNA. Then this is the enzyme. DNA enzyme is affected. So next experiment was performed by Hershey and Chase, another two scientists. That experiment is transduction. Transduction is the transfer of genetic material from one organism to another organism with the help of a vector, with the help of a virus. And virus in this case is bacteriophage. So Hershey and Chase experiment is also known as Blender's experiment. Another name for Hershey and Chase is transduction. So Hershey and Chase experiment are transduction experiment, then Blender's experiment, and what is bacteriophage? Bacteriophage is a virus that attacks bacteria. Now, what happens in general when viruses don't have their any host machinery, but when they infect the living cells, they use the host cell machinery and synthesize their own new viral particles, which result in infection. So they performed experiment on bacteriophage. Bacteriophage infects E. coli. The protein coat remains outside and the DNA enters inside. It uses the host machinery and synthesizes many more new viral particles, which result in case when there is blending, protein coat remains outside and inner more virus particles are formed. So they use two isotopes. One is radioactive sulfur and another is radioactive nitrogen. Sulfur is a part of component of amino acids. So by using radioactive sulfur, amino acid is labeled, and by using radioactive nitrogen, DNA is labeled, since nitrogen is a component of DNA. So first step is infection. In both the cases, two types of radioactive phages, they infect the virus, and then blending is done, mixing is done, and third step is centrifugation, where the protein coat remains outside and DNA multiplies inside the cell. Now, in case of radioactive sulfur, it was observed that radioactivity was present in supernatant. When there is centrifugation, we get two things. One is supernatant, another is pellet. In radioactive sulfur, it was observed that radioactivity was present in supernatant and by using not in the pellet. And in case of radioactive nitrogen, it was observed that radioactivity was present in the pellet. So it was not present in the supernatant. It means it is only the DNA which enters inside the host cells. So properties of genetic material. There are mainly three properties of genetic material. Number one, it should be able to form its own copy. That means replication, one of the important property of genetic material. Second, it should chemically and structurally stable. I mean, it should not be liable to change and mutate. Then it should provide a scope for some changes. It should provide some scope for some changes, means environmental changes or genetic changes, which are called mutations, because mutations are very important, provide the raw material for evolution. Then it should also be express itself. Genetic material should be able to express itself in the form of Mendelian characters. यानी कि Mendelian characters की property होनी चाहिए. It should segregate at the time of gamete formation, it should independent shortly लाइट गई, हमको तो लाइट गई।